welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am excited to share with you this brand new texture art piece I've been working on. I have been lately inspired by neutral tones, and this one features a beautiful blend of brown, beige and coffee colors. I just love the way these shades play together and create such a warm and inviting feeling. You can really see the depth and dimension in this close-up, and I can't wait to show you the final look. In this video I will be walking you through a process step by step, sharing all my tips and tricks for your future texture art pieces. Whether you are a seasonal artist or just starting out, I hope you will find some inspiration here. If you love working with texture and exploring neutral palettes, then you are in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. I will be sharing new techniques, tips and tricks.